So let's start today's drawing. For that I am going to draw a rectangle, but I like this way to draw first plus sign and then make a rectangle. Now from this corner I'm going to chop this one, and this side I will not chop that much, just a little bit. This one, and I will curve this one, I will curve this one, I will slightly curve this one, and from here I will curve this one, and at the same time I will do the top side. Let's erase and make all guidelines super duper light. You can adjust the curves. So this is my guideline over here. I will go here and make both sides this way, kind of like curvy line over here, and another curvy line will go up here, and another one is already here. So you can start here in the middle and then you can curve. Same thing here. I will go a little bit up from this guideline and I will do almost like this way. Opposite for this one, I will go up little bit and I will try to go here. It doesn't have to come here. And another one is going here. Same thing, I will do this side this way, and on the top I'm going to draw one curvy line here. Maybe I can start from here. This is my guideline. I will do another one from here and third one here. So let's erase our guideline so it will be more clear. I want a little bit more curvy this one. Make sure they are super duper light. From here I will go just slightly up. This is my line, slightly up, and it will go here. Just slightly up, small bumps. So from here and this one, we can pull this one all the way here to show the line here and here. But if you want, you can also curve these ones too. But if you want cute style and all these, this is my guideline here. Then you can draw two eyes over here, one mouth, almost like this is the line, connecting line, just a little bit down with the tongue. So this drawing, we use the rectangle shape for the pumpkin. If we'll draw a square shape, you can see the difference between rectangle and square shape. So it's totally depend upon you, what shape do you like.